Hey guys, welcome to Mario DIY. So today, finally, I'm unboxing and giving a small review of the new Fanttik X8Apex Air Inflator. So here's the packaging. Comes in this neat box. So let me just use my nail. Try to. That may not work. Let's see. Let's try this. Just need a little tear. Not a lot. There we go. There we go. Spill this plastic away. Side. Alright, here's the box. Just a warning label because there's lithium batteries in the packaging. So a little bit of this shade. I gotta get this out of the way. It's a little difficult to do this one-handed. Let me just pause the video for a bit and I'll be right back with you guys. I'm gonna have to use two hands. Alright guys, here I'm back. So I finally opened it. So it's gonna be a box inside a box kind of thing. So let's see if we can get it to come out. I'm gonna be a little stubborn. Alright, I'm gonna have to use two hands again. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, got it out of its packaging. Tight fit. But now let's open the box. There we go. Ooh. Oh, it's a lot smaller than I thought. But here's the inflator. Some padded, this nice foam right here. Foam insert. Let's take this out and see what accessories they have. Comes with. Again, sorry for the bad angle. Just one-handed. It's hard to do. There you go. Try not to rip anything. So everything's in here in this other box. Okay, so you have the inflator hose, some extra accessories, and there's, let's put this to the side. So you get this nice pouch to put it in, and right here inside the pouch there's another compartment, so you can put the hose and the other accessories to keep it separate. So that's nice. And right here you get a USB cable. You get the adapter to inflate basketballs, soccer balls, and you also get a Presta valve adapter. And a Presta valve is not as common as a Schrader valve. You'll find those in road bikes and mountain bikes that require higher pressures than normal. So it's good that it has those adapters because most air inflators don't. So you have, it's multi-versatile, so that's great that they added that. So let's take this out. So here it is, guys. The Fanttik inflator. It says truck powered on. Let's see how much battery power it has. Oh wow, it's at a full charge. I don't know if you can see that on camera. Well, let me get to the shade. It's very bright outside. Actually, no, it's half charge, which is fine. We're just gonna test it on one tire today. Let's see how well it does on half a charge. So the top section right here, this will tell you the current PSI of whatever you're plugging it into. And this right here tells you the PSI you want to inflate it to. So let's try it on one of the tires on my truck, so I wanted to do 32 psi. So let's do 32. I've seen other reviews where this will try to inflate by 1 more psi. So if you're like very picky about your psi on your tires and you want it to be exact, I would recommend just putting it 1 psi under the required amount, because it'll overinflate by 1 more psi. So if my desired psi is 32, I'm gonna put it at 31. So let's do that. So what you're gonna do is grab the hose and insert it here and screw it on. Okay, it's on tight. And this thing will like to bounce around, so I'm just going to put like a rag or something right here to put it towards. And then we're going to take the cap off. We're going to screw it on. Kind of wish I had a quick release adapter, which actually I have one that I'm going to review soon with this. So I have an adapter that I just got on Amazon, and it'll go well with this inflator or any inflator if you want a quick connect. I mean, this is great. It's a secure connection, but it's a little bit tedious. Like, you know, if you have a flat on the side of the road, you don't want to fidget with it, especially if it's, you know, raining or it's dark outside. I mean, it does have an LED. So let me turn the light on. Press and hold the LED button. That's not turning on. Hold on. There you go. Alright. Okay, so right now my tire pressure is at 32. Great. So there you go. This is not under pressure. It's not underinflated, sorry. So there you go. But let's take some air out of the tire. Alright, that should be enough. Screw this back on. Okay, there you go. So my tire pressure went down to 30 psi and I want 32, right? Alright, so. There you go. See? It inflated it exactly to 32 psi like I wanted it to, even though I put 31. And that's great. You know, it compensates for the fact that, you know, which is not a lot, since, you know, there you go. But yeah, it works as it should. I mean, and it comes half charge, you know, straight from the package. So you can use it right away. I mean, technically you're supposed to charge it. You know, but I didn't want to waste time and charge it and then later review it. I just wanted to get it on the unbox it, show you guys, the specifics, and you can use it straight out of the box. It's great. And then you just take the hose off and put it away. I don't own anything that uses the Presta valve, but, if you don't know what those are, just do a quick Google search. They're very common in other bikes. You won't see them on cars, not that I know of, but it's great that this comes with that adapter. So it's very versatile. So if you have a mountain bike or something like that, and you can carry this on your in your backpack, it's really light. It's not even heavy. And it's compact, and It you know, it does what it promises, and I'm just really impressed. You know, I'm usually used to those big bulking compressors that usually come in those jump starter units, those huge ones that weigh like maybe 20 pounds. This is a lot better to bring with you. You know, if you want a jump starter and an inflator, this and the Fanttik jump starter would be a great thing to have in the trunk of your car, because they're lightweight. It's not one unit, so you can use them separately. You don't have a big bulky unit, and that's what I like from this versus the alternative. And here are the settings you can change. Let me try to show that on camera. See? Yeah, 45 psi. Here you go. 8 psi for a ball. Manual settings. Car. It could also measure in bar. Let's see. It looks like a moped, bicycle again, and then you plus or minus the psi. And let's try the light. See, it'll turn on. There you go. There's the LED light. See, SOS. There you go. Sorry, I accidentally turned it on. But yeah, there's the LED. You know, it's bright enough so it'll illuminate, you know, in the dark if you're outside at night. So I'm glad it has that feature. You know, you have your USB-C and USB-A ports. You know, so for example, the USB-C is how you charge it, and the USB-A out, so you can use this as a power bank as well. So you can charge your phone, any portable device, which is great that they added that feature. It's great. I can't say any more about this. Like, this is a great thing to have in your car. So definitely, guys, check the description below for the link on where you can get this on Amazon. Right now, I think there is a coupon on there. I think you can get like 10 or 15% off. I'm not entirely sure. You know, those deals are a limited time only, but I will post a link where you can get this. It's a must buy. You got to get this. It's not cheap or anything like that. There's a lot of portable inflators on the market. This is not poorly made. This is a high quality product. It is worth the asking price. I'm not disappointed, and neither will you be. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And yes, I'll be reviewing another product that will be a great addition to your Fanttik or any portable charger you have in your car. Thanks, and have a blessed day.